So time and again, you may want to insert characters in your document which are not easily accessible through your regular keyboard. So in order to do that, you can go over here onto type and then you can go on to insert special character where you can find different special character options. Let's say for example, you can go for symbols where there are something like bullet characters, copyright symbol, as you can see right here. So this is something that you don't usually find in your keyboard, just like this. So let me just increase the font size right over here, just like that, and that's your special character. I can also go over here onto the type, onto the special character, and go on to symbols. Let's say for example, I want the trademark symbol, and there's the trademark, as you can see. So I'm gonna go over here onto the special character again, and if I were to go to lips, you can see that there's the 3 dots and so forth. So over here in the special character, you can see that there's other options like markers as well. So in markers, you get the current page number, next page number, previous page number, and section marker over here. So section marker is right over here. It's a blank space, as you can see. And then over here, you have current page number. So let me just go around onto special character, onto marker, current page number, which is 1. So if I were to go over here, let's say for example, in another page, just like this, in another page, if I were to go here onto type, onto special character, on the marker, then current page number, you can see that it says 2. So I can just go over here and then go on to special character, and over here I can do previous page number, which comes up as 1, and if I were to do next page number, it comes up as that. So just gonna go around here, gonna go into special character, marker, and next page number, which is 2, as you can see, because I don't have any other page right now. But if I were to add in another page just like this, now you can see that it changes to 3 because now there is a new character just like that. So let us see some other character options as well. So on the type, if you were to go to special character, there's hyphens and dashes, and each one of them has a shortcut, as you can see as well. So if I were to go over here onto M dash, you can see that there's long dash right here, just like that. And I'm going to go to special character again, and if I were to go to discretionary hyphen, as it says, there's small hyphen just like that, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around onto the special character again. Let's go to quotation mark. So you want double left quotation mark, you got the quotation mark right here. It's not that hard to find on your keyboard, but even if let's say for example, if you're confused, you can just come up here and use the special character just like that. So that's straight for single quotation mark, right? If you want this, then you got those here as well. So let us go on to special character, and then let's go to others, and over here you have tab, you got non-joiners and everything right over here as well. So if you were to add in tab, you can see that tab gets inserted just like that. And that's how you can work with special characters and insert special characters by using the type insert special characters option inside of Adobe InCopy. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.